In this video, we're taking a look at ICI's newest model home. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm out here in the Coral Ridge neighborhood within the Seabrook area of Nocatee. This is the gated section of Seabrook. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful model home by ICI Homes. This is the Brooke model. And in this neighborhood, you're gonna have 70 and 80-foot home sites. The Brooke can be built on both 70 and 80-foot home sites. Now, before we go in and take a look, I did want to point out that this floor plan features a 3-car garage, but there is a structural option to have a 4-car garage. All right, here we are entering the double door entry. Now this is a standard feature with the Brooke floor plan. All right, so here we enter the 2-story foyer. This is a 20-foot foyer. Here to my right, we have the study, and the double doors are standard as well. Now this study is 13 feet with 11 inches by 16 feet and 2 inches. Now over here we have the dining room. The dining room is about 10 feet by 13 feet, so plenty of space. Over here we have a storage. Now here we walk into this amazing living room. Check out the height. These windows are standard with this floor plan. So you have an amazing view to the outside, and also lots of natural light that comes in. So here your ceiling height is going to be 20 feet. On the first floor, standard is 10 feet. And effective January 1st, 2024, all door heights are going to be 8 feet. So you'll notice in the model, the first floor will have 8-foot doors, and on the second we'll have standard 6-foot 8-inch doors. But effective January 1st, you're gonna have 8-foot doors throughout. And here we're walking into the owner's suite. You have a nice view to the outside with these large windows. Now here in the model, ICI did include the extended master bedroom option. And what this option does is it extends the master bath. And so you'll have a 14-foot shower. Check out this super shower. And then you'll have a standalone tub over here. All right, just over here we have a linen closet. Here we have the walk-in closet. And the master bedroom is about 14 by 17 feet. Here we're gonna walk over to the kitchen. Here you have a little cafe area. So this house is really nice for hosting as well. You'll have lots of seating here at the island, cafe, and then your living room. So here we have a powder room, and powder rooms are always great for guests. Just back here we have the laundry room. Nocatee is a natural gas community, so you'll have the option to have either a gas dryer or an electric dryer. All right, so I did want to point out that here in the model you'll see textured walls. If you're building a Brooke on an 80-foot home site, the walls are smooth as a standard feature. Now in the 70s product, it is an upgrade. All right, so here you see a sunroom. Now this is also an added feature, an added structural option here in the model. So this is where the lanai will be. And here you can see they've added the sunroom and then they added the extended lanai. All right, so here we have a beautiful summer kitchen and a pool. Now ICI Homes does have the option to have a pool build during your build, and that way your pool will be completed at the same time as your home will be completed. I've seen ICI build a lot of these walls over here. This is a nice feature as well. Give you some privacy, you know, from your next door neighbor. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs now. Just wanted to show you the pantry before we head on up. All right, and here we have a little pocket area, and this area can be used as a pocket office, little reading area. Now ICI Homes is a custom home builder, so they can redraw the plans. You know, if you say, hey ICI, you know, certain things, I like the Brooke or I like another floor plan that you have, but there's some things that I'm needing, they can redraw the plans for you. If you wanted to add any bathrooms, move walls, add extensions. All right, over here to the right, we have bedroom 3. This bedroom is 14 by 14. Now you can see the standard doors that I was mentioning. So this is a 6-foot by 8-inch door, and the standard feature will be 8 feet. So you're gonna have more of a door come up to here. So it does make the house look a lot larger, the space look a lot bigger with the 8-foot doorway option, which will be a standard feature January 1st. Here we have the mechanical room. Here we have bedroom 2. This bedroom is about 15 by 13 feet. All right, and over here to the right, we have another full bath. This one includes the shower tub combo. We have a transom window there, allowing some natural light. And just outside we have a linen closet. Then we have this open space here, really great view. And here we walk into the game room. There's a great area, you know, for homeschooling, just for hanging out. Maybe a play area if you have kiddos. Make it a theater area. The game room is about just under 19 feet by just under 14 feet. So it's a pretty big space. Lots of room. All right, and over here we have some storage space. If you want to, you know, store some games, linen. Over here we're entering bedroom number 4. And bedroom number 4 is about 13 by 12 feet. Let's check out the closet space here. Okay, that's good space. And then here we walk into a shared bath. Okay. You have a walk-in shower and a pocket door. I love pocket doors. All right, here we are in bedroom number 5. Now this bedroom is just about 13 by 13 feet. And here you have the closet. Just a nice size closet. You walk in. All right, so one thing I didn't mention at the beginning is the square footage of the Brooke. The Brooke is, without any structural options added, like extensions, is 3,610 square feet. Now the model as shown with all the extension, the structural options, is 4,368 square feet. All right, if you're interested in knowing more about ICI Homes, the Coral Ridge neighborhood, Nocatee, or planning on visiting St. Johns County, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoy the video.